Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again. So today we're going to do a major chop on his hair. He's been growing it for 4 or 5 years now. So let's get straight to it. I shampooed and conditioned it. We're going to chop it down. We're going to go with the temp fade. And we finna go ahead and get this process started. So I went ahead and draped him and stuff. I'm about to go ahead and comb all his hair, pick it out as much as I can, and go ahead and start the process. So I went ahead and freehanded with my Stylecraft instincts, taking it down piece by piece. This was like an hour-long process, can't even cap to you. So I went ahead and sped up the video as fast as I can to get this content to post on YouTube for you all. So that's why you see I'm going so fast. It's just we had to make sure we took our time with it because his hair been growing straight out his scalp so long. We just had to form the hair so it can get used to being back shorter and curly. So as you see, I'm going ahead and sculpting his crown. I'm making it into a afro. And I'm gonna keep going piece by piece, and then at the end you'll finally see how I really shaped everything. So he wanted the notes to still be curly and long, but he wants to chop everything down. So y'all stay tuned, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj. My business page at bjs.cuts with 2 Z's. Let's go. See how we're doing it piece by piece, just shaping it, then I'm just keep going over it over and over until we get that desired length. I already know how the other side is higher. I'm just attacking it piece by piece, taking my time. As you see, I'm doing the low taper. I'm just sculpting everything piece by piece. I'm freehanding. I'm going straight into the fade. I'm doing all type of different techniques to go ahead and get his hair situated. I'm using my comb to lift the hair so I can see everything as well. We're actually gonna make his hair lower than that, so just trust the process and see how everything go. Basically, I'm just tapering the sides and the back, and then I'm gonna let him see it again. We're gonna go a little bit lower than that. It's been 4 years since he chopped his hair, man. So you could tell, like, when I was cutting him, you know, there's a lot of connection with the hair, but it was time for new beginnings and stuff, so. About to shape the hair again soon. We just wanted to kind of get a visual to see what was up against. Try to fade that side, and I'm gonna go over it again and lower the hair even more. See how I'm starting to shape it up a little bit. Keeping the sideburns too, that's why I left the hair right there. Then I'm gonna fade it a little bit, then line them up. See how it's too much hair on the back right there, so we just kind of getting the fade out the way. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the rest. So starting to shape it up a little bit more. I'm gonna line him up, and then I'm gonna keep shaping it a little bit more. But y'all can see it looks really neat though. Yes, sir. Piece by piece, as you see. I'm gonna shape it up one more time, go a little bit lower, and then after that, we're gonna go ahead and style his hair to make it back curly and all that good stuff. He's very satisfied, as you see. It's pretty dope, him trusting me with everything. And that's the outcome. See how we shaped it one more time and then went ahead and sponged it and everything. Let's go, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at bigco.bj. BJ is custom 2 Z's.